Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have a nice Impreza f60. F60 came here for tune-up and the board was burnt. We changed it with a new one. This is where the fire, when it burnt right here. And also the grinder, we switch it with a brand new one. This is the old one. And we have inside brand new grinder, Jura, and the coffee is ready. It's deep scale, deep clean, back flushed, ready to go. Let's pull a shot. You can hear the grinders beautifully, the burrs are fresh. And there you go. Espresso is pouring. And the intensity of coffee can also be adjusted from the grinder. But you want it coarse or fine. And let's test the steam. Take a couple seconds. There you go. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much.